Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find uh, Instagram Reels history. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically the first thing would be is just to open your Instagram, and after that we need to go to the profile. So basically from here we need just to go to the settings so we can find our watch history, or you can find all your activities. So as you can see here, how you use Instagram. In this section, you will need just to go to your activity so you can find all the interacted reels or the watch the reels. So basically, there is no watch history as watching the history or all the history that you have watched, but you can find all the interactions or all the reels that you have interacted with. And one of them, you can find your likes shorts. So basically any reels that you have liked, you can find them here on the likes button or on the likes interaction. You can find also the reels that you have commented, tags, or where have you been tagged, etc. And here you can find the recently deleted, and those are concerns your own content. And basically, those are the contents that you have shared. And here you can just choose the reels, and basically you will find the reels that you have shared here, and you will find them. So in conclusion, you won't find watch history as you are in many other platforms like YouTube. You will find all the reels that you have crossed, etc. But here you can find only the interacted reels or the interacted content that you have on your account. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.